Hello my friend, welcome to TubeU channel. Adding captions or lyrics to your video can make it more engaging. The easiest way to do this is by using software like Premiere Pro, CapCut or Filmora, which have AI auto-caption functions. These tools can generate captions directly from your video, but they often contain errors, especially if the audio isn't clear or the speaker isn't a native English speaker. For music videos, the most accurate captions came from the lyrics themselves. Generating long sentence captions is straightforward. But creating single-word captions can be challenging. Here are some free tools to help you tackle this problem. Number 1. Vocal Remover. This free software lets you upload your music file in MP3 or WAV format and separates the vocal from the music. Using the vocal file to generate auto-captions increases accuracy. You can find the link in the description below. Notepad++, a powerful text editor with many useful functions. Download and install it using the link in the description below. Step-by-step guide. 1. Prepare your lyrics. Open the lyric file using Notepad++. You can add a Notepad++ to the Windows shortcut function for easy access. To change the lyrics to one word per line, use the replace function. To replace space with \R, new line. Remove unnecessary commas, periods, and blank lines using the replace function. This will leave you with a file where each line contains a single word. Save the file with the SRT extension and count the total number of words. For example, if the sample has 280 words, and the video is 2 minutes and 55 seconds long, each word takes about 0.625 seconds. 2. Use ChatGPT for formatting. Upload the single-word lyric text file to ChatGPT and enter a unique instruction to format it correctly. This innovative method, which hasn't been widely used before, allows ChatGPT to effectively convert single-word sentences back into a structured lyric file. It is a highly useful approach for ensuring accuracy and coherence in your captions. The magic sentence is written in the description below. 3. Use Premiere Pro. Create a new project and add the vocal file. Video files not needed initially. Go to Window, Workspace, Captions and Graphics, and import the single-word lyric file. Select Transcript and then create captions. Adjust the captions preferences. Set the maximum length in the characters to a minimum, for example, 7. Set the minimum duration in seconds to 1.2. Change lines to single. Premiere Pro will generate captions with correct timing but may have mistakes in the words. The first uploaded lyric file have the correct words but mismatched timing. You can now align the correct words with the accurate timeline. Initially, everything works smoothly. However, when there were large gaps in the vocals, it became challenging to align the captions correctly.
In a distant galaxy, my home has turned to dust. The brilliance of within.
Here is the trick. Add another track above. Use this track as a temporary place to keep the lyric. Then you can modify the left part easily. Four, final adjustments. Fix the timeline of the lyric track by adjusting the text format for visibility. Synchronize the lyrics with the music as it plays. Use Premiere Pro to finalize the captions. Delete any reference lyrics. Load the video file and adjust the font, color, or position as needed. Select all captions. Hold the Shift key with the vocal track and choose Graphics and Titles. 2. Upgrade captions to graphic. This embeds the captions into the video. This method is the best and easiest way to create single-word captions. If you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching.